Alright guys, we're gonna change the cabin air filter today, so it's fairly easy to do it. It's behind the glove box. First we need to drop it to get access to it, and to do that empty your glove box first, because everything will go on the floor. The arm on the side, you have to kind of disengage it so it sits right here. Take it, move it down, and from the top there are two clips, one here and another one just right here. Press them up and move the glove box back. Another one just here. Here it is. So the glove box is out, and the cabin air filter is just right behind this lid. Okay, to take off the cover, so we need to get these three clips out over here, and it just pops up. Right, the old one will come out and we'll see how bad it is. Alright, it is quite dirty, so it's about time to change it. Okay, so the new filter goes in. It's clean and nice. Arrows go down when you put it back in. Just like that. Okay, cover goes back on. That's it. It's all done. Glove box back in its place. Reattach the arm on the side, and it's all good to go. Thanks for watching.